Hello my friends, it's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakubu right here, and in today's video, you are going to learn how to clear or how you can delete your search history on Google, step-by-step tutorial. Well, before we dive deep into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell, so each time I post content about Google, you'll be notified. So without being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can delete your search history on Google. So let's begin. So let's, for instance, you are using Google like something like this, and then you want to search for something on Google. And by the time you type in on any stuff like this, then you have a very long search history like this. And you maybe want to clear them one after the other. So if you are trying to use a remover suggestion, just like what you see right here, it might take you a long of time to do all these things. So there is a way I'm going to show you properly delete all this search history without any stress. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do when you open up your Google browser, you have to come to the top right here. Then you need to click on your profile picture. Then it takes you down here. Then you have to make sure you select manage your Google account. Alright, so it's going to take you here. So the next thing you want to do is to come to the search engine at the top right here. At this top here, make sure you type in activity. Alright, so from the drop down right here, make sure you choose my activity. So if you choose my activity, it takes you right here. So the next thing you want to do is to come to delete activity by me. Alright, so this window is going to pop up right here. So come to always, make sure you click on here. So this is going to pop up. So what you need to do right here, you have to select the actual search history you want to delete. Okay, so let me first of all and uncheck everything. I need only Google search history to be deleted. So once I uncheck, then I have to make sure I select Chrome. So you can choose any options of your choice that you want to delete the history. Then I'll come to search. So that is the search results. So I will have to check that. And let me go to the top. Let me uncheck the Chrome for now. So I want to, I select just one product. So you have to read the term at the top right here, which states that your activity will be deleted, will be permanently deleted from your account and no longer be used for personalization. So you need to know that. So once you select the product you want to delete from the various options right here, so what you need to do right here is to come to next. Right here, click on next. So confirm that you would like to delete all the stuff that you have been doing so far. Then you can check on preview more stuff like that. Then you will see all the activities you have been doing on Google. So once you're satisfied with the options, then you have to come down below right here and make sure you click on delete. So right here, the activity that you are selected is being permanently deleted from your account and no longer be tied to you, stuff like that. This means that that is gone. Then the next thing you need to do right here is to just come down right here and click on OK. Boom. So you're done. So this is how you can delete your Google search history step-by-step tutorial without any stress. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to click on that subscribe button for more tutorial like this about using Google. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.